If you want to learn English at your home and you don't want to go in any institute, any coaching class, so this video is only and only for you. I can understand this thing that sometimes we feel shy, sometimes we don't have money, that amount of money what the coaching institutes are charging. So in this video I'm gonna deliver everything, like I'm gonna explain everything, how I've learned this language and how I have been learning this language. Okay, so please watch this video till its end and you would get idea that how you can learn this language without spending even a single penny and without joining any coaching institute and even without environment. Okay, so let's get into the video without wasting time. So when I started learning this language, I was also searching for coaching institutes. Like I have searched few institutes, but they were charging very high at that point of time. They were charging 7,000, 8,000 for few months, and that time it was expensive for me. Now it is also expensive for me. So I didn't join any coaching class, and after that I thought that why not start from the social media. So I started from through YouTube. Firstly what I did, I started watching videos on YouTube, some podcast English videos, and I used to write spellings while watching videos. So I started like this, but those videos were very fancy videos. Fancy videos means in those videos they were speaking fancy words. So after some times I have realized this thing that if I would continue watching these videos, I won't learn English as soon as possible. So I switched from those videos to simple videos in which they use very simple English. I have learned from those simple videos that how you can explain yourself in simple words in simple English. So those videos were really amazing for me because those video made me believe on myself that I can also speak in English. This is not a rocket science, but because before that I was thinking about English that this is the rocket science and only those people can speak English who are coming from very privileged background, very rich background. But after watching those videos I've realized that these videos are pretty much simple, so I can learn English by these videos. By the way, I used to watch those videos for a very long time, and after that I have realized this thing that now I need to learn grammar. So I have watched few videos of Chandan sir. So the name of the channel is English with Chandan, and I have watched few videos of Ocean English. So these two channels explain very well that about grammar and all. So like I found very helpful. So if you want to watch these channels, please go and watch. You would find simple learning this language. Okay, so you would think that this is not that much difficult, you can also learn this language. So go and watch these channels if you want to learn grammar. After that I got a channel of Alina Rise, and she also speaks very well. She also speaks simple English. So I have learned that how you can explain things around you in a very simple manner. So you should also learn these things, that how you can explain things in a very simple manner. Start listening. If you are not able to speak right now, it's fine. Start listening. I have seen that few people say that you have to speak English at your first day. I don't believe on this thing because I feel that for speaking English you should have some vocabulary in your mind. You should know that how to explain things in English. So if you are becoming good listener, if you are listening videos, if you are watching videos, podcasts, so this will help you a lot. So watch 12 days, 15 days English videos, simple English video, then you would be able to speak in this language little bit. Okay, don't need to start speaking English at your initial days. No, not at all. Start listening first of all, and after some times start speaking little bit. Okay, don't take too much pressure on your head. And that is how you would definitely learn English. Okay, so by the way, this is all about listening. So if you want to search partner, so you can use few apps. There are lots of apps available, so I would recommend you two apps. First is AC Fluency and the second is Hybro. So AC Fluency is something which is very very nice, and I won't recommend you to use Hybro because I don't think that it is nice. My experience was not good, but if you would use it, if you want to use it, you can use. I'm telling you my experience of AC Fluency. When I got this app and I started using this app, so at my first call, I was fumbling. I was shivering while talking with that person throughout the call. So, but somehow I managed to talk with that person for 5 minutes. And after that, I thought, after disconnecting the call, I thought that now I'm not gonna use this application. So I didn't use for 2 and 3 days. Then after I've realized this thing that no, I need to use this application for being better in this language. Then I started using this application again. So at starting you would also feel the same, that you don't need to use this application, but please continue using this application and take some precautions. You shouldn't interchange your number with anyone on this application. You shouldn't interchange your social media ID or your Telegram ID. Most of the time people will ask you about your Telegram ID, but if you feel comfortable, then only share your Telegram ID at all. But I would recommend you don't share, to avoid any kind of problem. Don't share your Telegram, Instagram, social media handle or your number, okay, so that in future you will not suffer. Use this app wisely, and if you would use this app wisely, you would definitely able to speak in this language. Really, this is very helpful app. I am also using it without spending even a single penny, because if you are a girl, you would get 90 minutes for using this app, free 90 minutes, and if you are a boy, so you would get 20 minutes. But I guess if you're a boy, so you can also interchange your number with someone, so with which you can talk, okay. So yeah, and if you want to buy paid subscription, so this is not also very costly. You can also buy it, by the way, it's up to you. So but if you're a girl, so you would get 90 minutes. So please go on this app, use this app. This is really very nice app. And if you want to talk with experts, so yeah, by taking premium subscription, you can also talk with the experts and all. I've been learning this language for a very long time. Be consistent, because consistency is a key. I've been learning this language since 3 years because I was not consistent. That is why I took too much time, and right now also I'm learning this language. So yeah, be consistent, don't break your consistency. Start using this application, and you have lots of things now. You cannot make excuses. Start speaking in front of mirror, and after that start using this application, because you should also explain yourself. Don't go on this application at starting. At least learn little bit English. You would speak on this application for talking with somebody, okay. If somebody would ask you that about your hobbies, about anything, so you will have to reply, okay. So the conversation would not going by one way. The conversation, maybe you will speak less, but you should speak, okay. So that is how you can learn this language. There is not any excuses what you can make, okay, because you have lots of things in your hand. It's and you don't need to join any coaching class. And yeah, this is how you can learn this language. So I hope you would like this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, and please start learning this language. It's very important, seriously. Okay, bye.